I zoomed out, plant, zooming out, and then I just panned over there. I just did a swish pan. And I stopped. So that's just what I'm showing you guys. So if you are a musician and you're trying to do a video like this type of level, doing like radio broadcasts, or if you're doing streaming is perfect for Adobe Premiere Pro. I recommend anyone, if they're doing streaming, do use Adobe Premiere, because Adobe Premiere, you can easily stream it right through there. Honestly, most people nowadays are not using live streaming. They are just using video editing software, and they edit the video, and then they take an edit cut out, and then they just cut it out, and then they just upload it to YouTube, and then that's how they do it. Because most people are not streaming video on YouTube anymore. You know, they're using Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. They are not using streaming on YouTube. You know? So definitely check that out. And I recommend it because with this level of broadcast that I just showed you, you know, when you're trying to, if you want to like make it more radio broadcast standard type video, and you want to make it look more professionally done, just do what I did to show you. You know, that's my timeline, and that's how I did it. It's not hard. You know, I did a pan, and yeah. So that is what I'm going to show you how to do. Our next tutorial, I'm going to show you the interview part of it. For today's reason, I just did the performance part of it, kind of. Well, I did a little bit of part of the interview part of it, but I didn't do the talking part. To how to edit and cut the random conversation out of an interview. Because we don't want to hear about your life story. You know, I have done a lot of testimonials, and they say I did a one that was like 29 minutes long, and I'm like, I gotta like cut this down a little bit. So I cut it down because it's just too long and lengthy. People don't want to hear about this giant about your life story. They just want to just see the video of see what you're talking about, and then move on to their next video. That's what they do. They don't want to talk about your life story. So I'm going to end this here, and this is a Tutorials with Stephanie of Tech Tuesday. So make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure you follow me all over of Asking Live, and yeah.